Is distraught this afternoon after her support dog was lost at Six Flags Magic Mountain. KCAL 9's Melissa Maynard shows us the unusual set of circumstances that led to the dog's disappearance.
I do love my dog.
Shalane Brooks is a distraught pet owner, desperate to find her one-year-old female Pomeranian, Malibu, which she's had by her side for nearly a year as a doctor-prescribed emotional support aide. But an unfortunate chain of events led her to this point.
I thought she was okay. And I keep thinking, what could I have different?
Brooks was visiting Six Flags Magic Mountain on Sunday, and although she says she would have normally taken Malibu inside the amusement park with her, the puppy's carrier had just ripped, so she made the decision to leave the pooch inside the car.
We stopped at the store and bought this for her. Poured it into this, filling it up.
Even with water, food, and cracked windows, the small dog was reportedly distressed. The temperature was in the 80s, so security took her from the car to the park's free kennel.
Our security personnel and the sheriff saw the dog, which they thought was dead, broke into the car to get the dog out. We brought it over here to the dog kennel, revived it, gave it some water, cooled it down.
The dog's water was being replenished and the front door happened to be open, so the dog got out, ran outside the front door and up the parking lot this way. Six Flags officials say it's standard policy to rescue dogs from cars. And even in the kennel, the park is not responsible for the pet. So if anyone left their dog in their car in the Magic Mountain parking lot, security would break into the car and
we will
get it
rescue it, yes. And we do in-park announcements, and we leave messages on your windshield about where your animal is, that no animal should be left in the car. I mean, that's the law.
But Brooks is upset and doesn't believe she was putting her dog in danger. Now she just wants her baby back.
I don't know how I go back home with her. I don't know how I live in my house without her. I don't.
In Valencia, Melissa Maynard, KCAL 9 News.